Are you ready? Okay, so we have, let's see. Look what we have. We have currant buns. Okay, let's see how many we've got. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 currant buns. Okay, let's find my numbers. Where are my numbers inside the bag? Let's see, number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. So I need 5 children, okay? And you're going to get a coin, and you're going to hold the coin until I call your name, okay? So 1 for Ethan. Take a coin. 1 for you. 1 for Naya. 1 for Shakit, okay? And 1 for Alice. Okay, hold it carefully in your hands, okay? You ready to sing a song? Okay. 5 currant buns in the baker's shop, big and round with a cherry on the top. Along came Alice with a penny one day. Stand up, Alice. Come and give me your penny. Thank you. She bought a currant bun and she took it away. Take your currant bun. How many do we have left? Should we count together how many we have left? That's for you. You bought it with your money. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got 4 left. Okay, let's see. Ready? 4 currant buns in the baker's shop, big and round with a cherry on the top. Along came Shaked with a penny one day. He bought a currant bun and he took it away. There we go. That's not for you now. You got number 5, okay? Maybe next time you'll have the pink one. Maybe next time. Alice, sit down on your stool. Thank you. How many do we have left? Eleni, how many do we have left?
4.
Should we count together?
1, 2,
3. We've got 3 left because 2 have been bought. Okay, you ready? Should we continue? 3 currant buns in the baker's shop, big and round with a cherry on the top. Along came Naya with a penny one day. She bought a currant bun and she took it away. Thank you, Naya. How many do we have left now? 2. Well done, Eitan. We have 2. Okay, you ready? 2 currant buns in the baker's shop, big and round with a cherry on the top. Along came Ethan with a penny one day. He bought a currant bun and he took it away. Thank you. How many are left? 1. There's 1 left. Okay, ready? 1 currant bun in the baker's shop, big and round with a cherry on the top. Along came Ariel with a penny one day. He bought a currant bun and he took it away. Ariel, here we go. Oh, how many currant buns do I have left in my shop? How many do I have left? I don't have any. That's right. Well done. Did you like that?